Hi friends, this is your girl Miss Trina coming at you again with a different type of video. I'm going to be, I was just making my bed and I was gonna get ready to clean my room, and I thought, I'm like, let me make a cleaning video because I always wanted to make some cleaning videos. So I said, why not start today and show you guys me cleaning up my room. It's not that much to do, but it's a kind of a lot. But I need to clean off this nightstand, make up my bed, clean off that nightstand over there. There's stuff that don't belong on both nightstands. My shelf is okay. That's where I have all of my perfume and body sprays. But I do need to organize the top of that, but not today. Clean my mirror, or not in this video, maybe later. And clean off my dresser. I got so much stuff. And I got two of these pictures that I need to put up. Get rid of all this stuff that don't belong in my dresser, so my dresser would be nice and neat again. And this is the look. And I need to organize my shoes over there. They pretty much organized because I just got them right now there now until I clean out my closet, and I can straighten up my shoes in my closet. But I do need to vacuum and maybe Swiffer. And my chest, I need to get this stuff off of my chest and put it where it belongs. And that's about it. Here you see me using body spray on my sheets to give it a nice smell. That body spray is by Victoria's Secret, and I believe it's called Honeysuckle something. I don't know, but it's a fall scent and it's nice and warm and cozy. I was drinking iced coffee, and I was doing some sparkling water. You gotta have the coffee for the energy, and that water to keep hydrated while you're cleaning. Here I was cleaning off the nightstand with these wipes that I got from Dollar Tree, and they were nice and clean. And here I was burning this new candle called Berry Waffle Cone that my first time burning. It's part of my summer collection. If you haven't watched my video about my summer candle, nobody in the face. As you can see here, I'm keep adjusting the camera because I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time doing one, but I will get better, guys. So just bear with me. As you can see right here, I was wiping something off the comforter. My comforter is still clean. It's not time to get washed yet, but it was a little As you can see, I don't know what I'm doing. I have the ring light all in the video. But I promise guys, I'll get better at this and I'll be professional in no time. As you can see, those body mists, like I have said plenty of times before, not just for your body. You can use those for all types of things. For your linen, as air freshener, as on your shower curtains. It's just multi-purpose. You can use those for everything. Especially if you have a lot that you not gonna use on your body, on your body all the time. Can't see what I'm doing, but I was vacuuming the rug that's the side of my bed, and I was lifting the rug over and vacuuming under the rug. So yes, like I said, I'm a baby at this, so I'll give it to you.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. And I'll be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly, and still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nicki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby.
If you got this far, you are the real MVP. Leave me a purple heart emoji in the comments. Okay, now I am done. It took me about 40 minutes to complete everything. I didn't even get to hang up the pictures yet because I can't find the hammer. But it took me about 40 minutes to complete everything. I'm gonna look for the hammer a little bit later and try to get those pictures put up. But let me show you how it's looking. Okay, this is how the bed is looking. That's my little trash bag, what I was using to put the trash in. So that I'll dump that. Those are the pictures that I got to hang up. This is my nightstand that's in the corner by the window. I left this bottle water because I always have some water, and I was drinking that earlier on the side of my bed. And I like to have some lotion and splash by the side of the bed when I'm in the bed and my hands are dry. And like when I'm working, editing and stuff, I like to keep my hands moisturized. And sometimes I just like to spray. I just like to spray. I didn't clean my mirror yet. I just thought about it. I forgot. But the dresser, I got all of that stuff off of there. Those candles I'm going to put up. I'm going to probably show those in the video because I just got those from, those are Sonoma candles that I just got from, what is the name of that store? Wherever Sonoma candles come from, I can't think of it right now. But the dresser is nice and clean. And then, I wiped off the dresser. We have our other nightstand here. And I have a candle going and that on this berry waffle cone. I recently started, maybe about when I started this video. So let me see how that smells. I can't smell too much of it yet. But I got all of that stuff off. This is my coasters. I have to have these. Money's under there. Wow. When drinking and have a drink right there, but usually I have it on my bedside table. And I got everything off of my dresser except the cranberries. And I was showing you guys earlier that the top of this opens up. I don't know how it's not gonna be. And this is a jury box, and I never used it, so I'm gonna use it soon. But yeah, that's it, guys. My first clean with me in my bedroom. I'm gonna be doing more, and they're gonna get better. I'm just learning how to work the camera. It's a lot of work moving that camera, and then you forget to move the camera. And like I'm looking and like, wait, I'm not even recording. I'm recording just a blank canvas because I'm on this side of the bed and I'm recording on that side. So it's a lot of getting used to, but I'm going to get it. And I'm going to be giving you some cleaning motivation and doing all kind of organization projects and just vlogging my life. Like this channel is not about one specific thing. I know I do a lot of perfume and body sprays and lotions videos, but this channel is like a modge podge of all kind of different things. It's about basically everything that I love to do, but in mom life. And that's about it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.